Hello everyone and welcome. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to disable or fix black and white mode in Windows. As you can see, the black and white screen mode in Windows is active right now. You can see on the screen. So this now it can be caused by accidentally enabling accessibility features like color filters or high contrast mode. So I want to show you how to fix it. The first way to do it is by disabling the color filter. So open your settings, Windows and and then go to ease of access or accessibility in your case, and under color filters you can see you can just turn it off and it's back to normal. Now if it wasn't color filters that caused it, you can also check the high contrast mode. In case it was caused by high contrast, for example, let me show you how high contrast can cause it. I've turned on high contrast so you can see how it will look. So if it's caused by high contrast, what you do is that you use the same steps, but when you get there, instead of choosing the color filters, you use the high contrast. Go to the high contrast. Instead of choosing this, choose this, and then you simply turn it off. It's as simple as that. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, like and subscribe to the channel for more. Thanks for watching.